You want healthy, strong, and moisturizing hair? Try this DIY Neem, honey, and olive oil cleanser and thank me later. Neem is very beneficial for natural hair. It also helps for women. At least if you have gray hair in your head, try to use Neem cleanser. You will see magic. It will work like a magic for you. Let's start the video, guys. Hello my lovely people, how are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing good. In today's video, I'm so excited to share this DIY cleanser with you guys. I'm going to use honey, neem, and olive oil to make this cleanser. So before that, if you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is your first time crossing this channel, please kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscriber, guys, I really appreciate you all. May Allah bless each of you. Well, and for this video also, I'm just going to use this opportunity to thank to my auntie. She's the one sent me the neem, the dry neem. I requested it from home and she dried it and sent to me. Thank you, auntie. I love you too. So guys, after put my neem inside, I just use one hand full of hand, put inside, and I'm adding water inside. So after adding my water inside, I make sure that I put it on fire. So now it's going to do what? I'm going to start boiling it. So use this amazing, it's having a lot of beneficial for us. Neem and honey plus olive oil is having a big benefit for our natural hair. So if you are looking for a way to do cleanser, easy way to make your cleanser, just get a neem that you can find out from our various houses back at home or our villages. You know, neem here, this place they are selling neem, but I know in Africa they don't sell it. You just go outside the bush and cut your neem and come and start making your things, which maybe we don't know beginning, we don't know all these things. Now that we started making our head, we know that those things are natural medicine for us, for our hair growth. So after boiling it like this, I'm going to do what? I'm going to strain it. Neem is fantastic for natural hair. It helps with dandruff, soothing the scalp, and promoting healthy hair growth. So when you are using this thing, you know that your head can never be at the same thing. And also not for only that one, even especially those who have maybe 40s or early 40s, you know, you may getting gray hair in your hair. You are may seeing some white hair, in your hair. So it's good if you are not even looking for a way to grow your hair. It's good time to time, just use neem to make a mask for your head, or use neem to make a cleanser for your head, so that you see the big changes. This thing is work like a magic. So after straining it, now you can see that I pour it inside my fritter to fritter it to remove the particles. And you see how after I strain it, how it look like a tea. I put tea leaf or something inside. So now the next thing, I'm going to add honey inside. Honey also, we all know what honey do to our natural hair. This thing, when you do it, you don't need to wash it off, okay? You wash your hair with shampoo and your conditioner. After finish washing everything, then that will be the last thing for you to use and rinse your head without using water inside your hair again. So when you just pour it, you just pour inside your head, pouring it small, massaging your scalp. You can pour it inside some bottle, go inside the bathroom. After you finish bathroom, wash your head. Your hair is clean. Then that's the time, that will be the last thing for you to use and clean your hair. So I'm adding olive oil inside. Olive oil also, I'm not going to say again, you know the olive oil, the beneficial that olive oil also having for our natural hair. So thank you very much for watching. Please, if you watch it up to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. This channel is all about DIY how to grow your hair and how to protect your hair from breakages. And also at the same time, sometimes I do skincare also. So follow us and see what we are bringing to you guys. Okay, if you are ready or if you are looking for a way to grow your hair, this channel is for you. Don't go far away. Subscribe on the notification bell. Anytime when I upload new video, they will notify you. Thank you very much for watching.